Sandy?
He was right behind me a minute ago, but now he's gone.
Well, you shouldn't have let him off the leash, especially on a farm.
He wanted to run around. He's just a puppy.
I'll keep a lookout for him from up here.
I got the stuff you wanted. Food, drink, Walkman.
Cushion?
Yep, and your sleeping bag. You're not really going to sleep up there tonight, are you?
If I have to. Now, chuck me up the rope. We've got to rig up a pulley system.
Sandy! 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 Oh, you beautiful dog. I thought you were really lost. You've been hurt. I can't find any cuts. Where did this blood come from? Oh, Sandy, how could you?
Look, I'll just check our bookings and I'll ring you back.
Shh, I'll hide you.
Thanks, Danny.
Yeah, no worries, Dad.
Oh, well, that's the shed all cleaned out. How are you going in here?
The phone's been ringing non-stop. We've got guests arriving in an hour and the beds aren't even made up.
Oh, where's Fergus and Mandy?
I don't know. I haven't seen them all day.
This wouldn't be you-know-who's influence, work avoidance classes?
Please, no. One in the family's enough.
Right. Where's that flaming dog of yours?
Oh, I'm sorry?
Why, Barry, how pleasant to see you.
He's been savaging my sheep.
Barry, keep it down, mate.
Now, you know as well as I do, the only thing to do is shoot the dog.
What? But
Right
Barry...
now, before it kills any more of my livestock. I knew something like this would happen. What do you expect when you let yuppies and greenies loose on farming land? Look, just fetch the dog out. Let's get this over with.
But you have to look after him, just till I think of somewhere. He's no trouble, really.
I'm sorry, Mandy, but Mama and Papa would never allow it.
He's a good dog, I promise.
You do not count the fact that he kills sheep. If I could help you, I would.
It'll break Mandy's heart if you put Sandy down.
Look, I know it's tough on the kid, but dogs like this just don't belong around farm animals.
We shouldn't have bought him.
I thought he was too young to be a problem to sheep. I thought we'd have time to train him.
Oh, I, for one, won't be sorry to see the beast go.
Nasty piece of work.
Not really. It's just a dog's nature. It'd be fine somewhere else, maybe. No way on a farm.
Of course, that's what I meant.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
But if what you're saying is the only way...
He wouldn't know what hit him.
We better talk to Mandy. Any idea where she is, Daniel? Daniel?
Ah! Hey, you stupid dog! Sandy!
carrying it, and now it is ruined. Mandy, you must take Sandy back now. Now what?
Where have you been? I've been looking everywhere.
Through the mirror.
Thought so.
Sandy got into trouble there too, but I can't let him be shot.
Maybe he doesn't have to be. I just called Charlie.
Charlie?
Yeah, he's Doug and Jenny's friend from town.
Can he stop Barry shooting Sandy?
Not exactly, but the one thing he can do is give Sandy a new home.
But this is his home!
Yeah, I know, but you know what'll happen if he stays. Look, I overheard Charlie telling Auntie Lily the one thing he's been missing in his life is having a dog. Sandy's only a problem when there's sheep around. He'll be fine in the city.
I suppose if it saves his life.
And you can visit him sometimes.
Hear that, Sandy? You're going to... Sandy? Sandy? Mr. Donaldson, you have to listen. We found a home for him in Dunedin. They promise he'll never go near any more sheep.
Bit late for my lamb, though, isn't it?
I'll pay you back, honest. I'll save and save and save.
Sheep warriors should get what's coming to them.
He's a good dog, really, Mr. Donaldson.
This goes against every ounce of sense my dad ever drummed into me.
You mean yes?
As long as he never sees another sheep again in his mongrel life. And I mean never.
Oh, thank you, thanks a million.
Whoa. Whoa.